23 to 27. Percentage of students in various courses A, B, C, D, E, F and percentage of girls out of these. Total number of students 1200 and total girls 800. So, percentage of students in courses they have given, okay, the pie chart, and percentage of girls in the courses they have given in the another pie chart. Now, for course D, what is the respective ratio of boys and girls? They are asking what is the respective ratio of boys and girls in the course D. So, see here, percentage of students in courses, that is D. Okay, D, see total is 1200, in that 35% belongs to D. Okay, see total is 1200 and D 35%. D 35%. And next, total number of girls are 800. Total number of girls are 800. Among girls, okay, D belongs to 30%. D belongs to 30%. Now, 35% of 1200 is the total number of students in Institute D. So, 35% how you calculate? 35% can be calculated in this manner, 30% plus 5%. So, 30% how you do? 10% into 3. So, 30% means 10% into 3. So, which is 120 into 3, that is 360. That is 360. Next you have to calculate 5%. 5% means 60, that is 420. Next you have to calculate 30% on 800. So, 30% on 800, which is equal to 240. So, 240 is the total number of girls, 420 is the total number of students. Then what is the total number of boys? What is the total number of boys? So, total number of boys is equal to 420 minus 240. 240. So, 0, next 12 minus 4, 8, 3 minus 1. Okay. So, the boys are 180, girls are 240. Then what is the ratio? 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 3 is to 4. Option A is right answer. 3 is to 4, option A is right answer. Okay. Let us go to the next problem. Problem number 24. For which pair of course is the number of boys the same? So, which pair of course the number of boys are same, whether in E and F or A and D, C and F, B and D, we have to calculate. We have to calculate. See here, out of 1200, okay, so E, you consider the first option E, that is 12%. Okay, out of 1200, E is 12%. Out of 1200, E 12%. Out of 800, what is E? E again 14%, E 14%. Then next you take F, So, F how much percent? 13%, F 13%, here F 14%, F 14%. See here, based on these two data itself we can identify. See, number of girls are same. If total number of students are also same, then obviously then the total number of boys will be same. But here the total number of students are not same. Here 12%, here 13%, means total number of students are different, but girls are same. Then obviously the total number of boys should be different. Therefore, E and F cannot be the answer. E and F cannot be the answer. Next you take A and D. So, A forms 20% and 30%. So, A forms 20% and A forms 30%. Next D, you come to D. So, D is forming 35% and 30%. D is forming 35% and 30%. D is 30%. See here, in the first chart D 35% and here it is 30%, A 20%, here it is 30%. Again, see here, number of girls are same, but the number of boys are different. Okay, in A, the boys 20% of 1200, in D, boys 35% of 1200. Both the values are calculated on 1200, then both the values are not same. Okay, here the girls are same, means total number of girls will be same in both the institute, then obviously the number of boys should be different. Okay, next, C and F, you come to C and F. C, what is the total number of students? Total number of students in C, 5%. Next, here C girls, that is 2%. Next, F 13%, here F 14%. See here, F 13%, here F 14%. So, in this problem, yes, we may get the number of boys same. See, C 5%, 5% on 1200, 10% is 120, 5% is 60. Again, 2% on 800, 1% is 2, 8% is 16, sorry 2% is 16. So, 60 minus 16, what is the answer? 60 minus 16, 10 is 50, 44. So, 44 is the answer. Next, 13% on 1200. 13% on 1200. So, how you calculate 10% plus 3%? 10% is 120 plus 3%, 12 3s are 36. So, which is equal to 156. Next, number of girls, 14% of 800, 14% of 800, 10% is 80 plus 4%, 8 4s are 32, 8 4s are 32. So, how much you are going to get? 2, 8, 9, 9, 10, 11, 112. So, what is the difference? 156 minus 112. So, the difference is 44. So, for option C, C and F, we got the difference, sorry, we got the number of boys 44. Therefore, option C is the right answer. See here, no need to calculate for each and every value, okay, because the first option E and F, number of girls was same in both the institute, but total number of students are different, then total number of boys are also different. The same condition applies for option B also, but option C, it is different. So, after calculating option C, we got the right answer. So, option C is the right answer. Okay, let us go to problem number 25. Problem number 25. For course E, the number of girls is how much percent more than the number of boys for course E? So, course E, number of girls is how much percentage? Course E, 14% on 800. Then total number of students are 12%. So, 12% on 1200. 12% on 1200. Now, 12 12s are 144. So, you are going to get 144 students here. Next, 14% on 800. So, 10% is 80 plus 4%, 1% into 4, 8 4s are 32. So, 80 plus 32, so which is 112. So, now for course E, the number of girls, see total number of students are 144, girls are 112. Then what is the difference? The difference is 32, that is the total number of boys. So, with respect to boys, how much percent more than the boys? So, boys 32, girls 112. So, what is the difference? The difference is 12, 2 minus 2, 0, 11 minus 3, 8, 80 is the difference. So, how much percentage it forms? 80 by 32, 80 by 32. So, 4 20s are, 4 8s are 32. So, 20 by 8 you got, so which is equal to 4 5s are 20, 4 2s are 8, 2 by 5 you got. So, 2 by 5 means how many percentage? See here, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2.5. So, 2.5 into 100 which is equal to 250. So, it is 250% option A. Problem number 26. For which course is the number of boys minimum? So, you have to calculate the number of boys minimum. So, how to calculate number of boys minimum? You have none of these option also. Because of none of these, you have to calculate for all the 6 institutes or all the 6 courses. Okay, let us start from A. So, A See, this is total number of students, this is total number of girls. This is calculated on 1200, this is calculated on 800. So, girls A 30%, next, it is 20%, total number of students are 20%. Okay. So, total number of students are 20%, this is for A. Like that, for B you take, it is 10%, and for total number of students, how much you are going to get for B? 15%. Next, C you take, C is 2%, and total number of students it is 5%. Next, D you take, D here 30%, and what is the D here? 35%. Next, E you take, E, how much you are going to get? Here 14%, and next E, here how many percent? 12%. Next, F you take, so F, how much you are going to get? Here 14%, here 13%. So, here 13%, here 14%. So, 13% and 14%, yes. So, this is the data what you have. So, now we have to calculate the number of boys where they are minimum, See here, if you compare, see here 20% on 1200 and 30% on 800. So, 20% on 1200 is 240 minus 8 3s are 24, 30% 240, you got 0. Again 15%, 10% 120, 5% 60, 180, here 10% it is 80, again you got 80. Next, for third one, 5% on 1200, that is 60, 2% means 16, that is 44. Next, 35% on 1200, 35% on 1200 means how much you are going to get? 35% on 1200. So, 30%, 12 3s are 36, 360, and 5% is 60, that is 420, minus 8 3s are 24, 240. So, it is bigger, the value is big. Next, 12%. So, 12 12s are 144. Next, 14%. So, 14% means how much you are going to get? 10% plus 4%, 80, 8 4s are 32, 112 you are going to get. Again it is bigger, Next, 13%. So, 13% means how much you are going to get? So, 12% 144 plus 1% 12, it is 156. So, it is 156 minus 14%, 112, again it is bigger. So, here the minimum value is 240 minus 240. So, 12 2s are 24, 8 3s are 24, 240 minus 240 is 0, that is for option A, means that is for A course, then option D is the right answer. Very simple to calculate, all the percentages are very easy. If you are strong in percentages, then definitely you can solve in this manner. So, 26th option D is the right answer. Okay, let us go to the next problem, problem number 27. How many girls are in course C? So, very simple, course C 800, for that 2% you have to calculate, that is 16. So, option B is the right answer for the problem number 27, 2% on 800, that is 16. So, option B is right answer. So, pie chart, we have discussed almost 27 varieties of the problems. So, from problem number 1 to problem number 27, you can notice the level of difficulties what it was increasing, and you can notice the different type of varieties what they can ask. Here intentionally I left one variety of problem, that is based on degrees. Okay, in the pie chart, instead of giving the percentages, they are going to give you the degrees. Okay, those type of problems we are going to solve in mixed graph. Okay, just for you people to practice in a better manner, in a simple manner. I have given only these varieties of problems. Those type of problems I am going to implement in mixed graph. Okay, so 27 problems we have discussed, all the varieties of the problems you have seen. Okay, only thing is, if you are good in percentage, you can solve any type of problem in the pie chart, and you have noticed so many problems were very easy, which was also asked in your PO and SO problems. So pie chart, an easy concept and simple concept. Go through the materials whatever we have uploaded in our website, practice those problems, take the test on that topic and get the good marks. Thank you.